Welcome to the third video in this series of learning technical analysis with Jim of all trades, learning to trade. This is the third video in the series. It's how to paper trade on Tradingview.com. What is paper trading? Paper trading is basically practicing trading without using any of your own money. It's just pretending to trade so that you're not putting any of your money at risk. You say, why would I do that? Well, too many traders try to begin trading at the beginning of their journey in trading with real money, and they realize they have hopes and dreams of making a profit, and they enter trades and they end up losing money like crazy. And what you realize is this market is ruthless. It is designed to take your money. It is run by market makers who want they're trying to make a profit themselves, and they use their money to take yours. And so you need to practice and become a proficient trader before you begin to risk your own money in trading. So one of the ways we do that is we can paper trade. We can actually practice all the skills that we're learning as traders, and we can practice without putting any of our money at risk. Trust me, some of you are risk takers, and you don't care. You're excited about the potential of making money. But if you're just learning how to trade, I urge you strongly, do not trade your own money. Begin learning when you can start making a profit paper trading on a regular and consistent basis, then risk your own money. But until you can do that on a consistent basis, why would you risk your own money and then end up losing it? Trader after trader after trader loses money. Just 90% of traders just lose like crazy. All traders lose in their first couple of years of trading. Trust me, I know. I thought I was different. I thought it was going to be better, and it just isn't the case. So you need to learn how to paper trade. You need to learn how to trade without risking any of your money. And I'm just trying to give you some wisdom here. Don't risk your money if you don't want to lose it. You're fortunate to have, and I'm not bragging or anything, but listen, you're fortunate to have somebody who's doing this for you. Because I didn't really have anybody except those I found on YouTube as well that shared information, but I don't think anybody shared any kind of cohesive information like I'm presenting to you now in an organized fashion and without selling anything. So I just want to encourage you to be smart with your money, and let's learn to paper trade. Okay, so open up TradingView on your chart or on your in your browser, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go down here to the trading panel and click on the trading panel, and then right over here on the left hand side you're going to see something that says paper trading by TradingView. Simply click on it and it's activated. You'll see it turns green right there. You got to be logged in to do this, so you can't do this without being logged in. So that means you need a username and a password. Once you're logged in, you can see that basically you have a certain account balance. Okay, what you're going to do is to set your account balance, you need to set an account balance that's realistic for what you plan on trading. So what is your account balance now that you're planning on trading with? What kind of cash do you have set aside? So if you only have $1,000, then what you just click on this little person right here. We can go to let's see, we can go to trading settings. Okay. Let's see, cancel that, sorry. Reset paper trading account, sorry, that's what I meant to say. And let's set it for $1,000 if that's what you have to trade with. If you have $5,000, set it for $5,000. If you have $2,000, whatever your account size is, you set that here. That way you're trading with a realistic amount of money. It starts out at $100,000, but if you only have $1,000, I would set it for $1,000. So we're going to set this for $5,000 here, and you can see how the account balance is sitting right here. Now, what you can use in TradingView is you see this buy and sell panel here. If that's not there, you just click the paper trading panel, click the little person, you say show buy and sell panel. Okay, and that's all. Make sure that's clicked, and you'll see the buy and sell panel. Now, whatever currency you're at, no matter what chart you're on, you can buy it and you can sell it on paper trading. Okay, selling would be shorting, and buying would be going long. So this is real life exercise of going long or going short. Make sure you're on. If you practice going short, you want to make sure you're on an exchange that allows you to short. Coinbase Pro does not allow you to short. It doesn't allow you to trade with leverage either. So so you'll only be able to to go long and to buy basically, and then to sell for profit if you're using Coinbase Pro. So I would suggest that you never short uh, in TradingView paper trading if you are trading on Coinbase Pro. Now, if you're trading on Kraken or some other exchange that allows you to short, then feel free to practice shorting as well. All right. Now, what you need to really do as you think about trading is what kind of time frame you want to be trading on. I trade on the hourly to the 15-minute chart. A lot of times, hourly to 4 hours is probably the best. I would suggest that a nice good number to trade is a 2-hour chart. Now, if you don't have a lot of time for trading, you might want to trade the daily chart. Or something like the anywhere from the 4 to the daily chart, because the more information that is compressed into one candle, the less you're going to be buying and selling. You'll make less trades, and your trades will last over a longer period of time. Okay, so but think about the time frame that you have. If you have a day job and you're unable to watch trades throughout the day, then you don't need to be trading on the hourly chart or the 15-minute chart. You need to stick to the 4-hour chart if you have a day job. Excuse me. Sorry about that. But yeah, it's midnight when I'm making this, and I've just had a long day. So let's see. What you want to do to practice trading, basically, if there's a time and a place in the chart where you want to begin buying, say now you wanted to buy, you simply click buy. You've got $5,000 to work with, and you choose a quantity right here, a quantity that you want to purchase. It's not going to let you purchase more than you have in your account. So if I hit 50 of them, 50 of them, it's going to cost me $4,650. So I wouldn't recommend using your entire account, but you certainly can. I wouldn't recommend that you do that, but like I said, you can do it. So let's just say I want to buy 25 of them right now. We click buy, and what it's going to do is open a position. You can see the order's been placed. 25 has been purchased, and you see the position show up on the screen right here. Now. What you're going to see down here is the account summary. You can go to click on. It shows your positions, which you've bought 25 of them. The fill price was 93.01, and so right now it's got a negative $3 in profit. So you can kind of see how it'll keep track of your profit or loss based on that. You can go to account summary. What it does is shows you how much equity you have. Currently in your total account. You've got $5,000 minus $350, which leaves you $49.96.50. It tells you what your profit or loss is as well. It keeps a trading journal for you. Whether it's you open a trade, close a trade, or whatnot. And so basically, this just keeps track of your positions. If I end up wanting to buy more, I can simply just click buy, and I can tell it how many more. So you can have another position. So I'm going to buy 10 more, and what that'll do is it'll add these positions together. You can see now that we have 35 here. It's not a horrible time to buy, but not the best time to buy either. We didn't nail a bottom or anything, but it's not bad. If you come over here to account or positions, you can actually think you can show the positions separately, if I remember right. I guess it's just showing me one position there. I thought it could show the positions if you had them separate, but evidently it's not doing that. So yeah, basically that's how you buy or sell or whatnot. Now, if you want to close the trade, so the trade's going against you and you want to close it out, just click the X. and you can close the position. If you want to reverse the trade, say, oh, and you can switch from right now what we bought, you can switch from long to short. You can actually reverse the position as well by clicking reverse position, and then verify it by clicking this button here. I don't recommend you do that. Like for instance, in if you have a Coinbase account, don't do that because you're not able to do that in Coinbase, and you're really not able to use TradingView either as as an account to buy and sell with Coinbase either. Now I use a Forex account that is compatible with TradingView, and I actually do all my buying and selling right here through TradingView. When I have my other account connected, I buy and sell just like you just saw when I'm doing the Forex market. But when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrency, I do that through Coinbase Pro. So you'll only be able to purchase and then sell your positions. Okay. So if I sold the position at this point, we would sell for a $7.95 loss. Keep in mind, I think there's a setting you can tell it commissions and whatnot. This doesn't keep track of your commissions that you're paying. So keep in mind that if you're trading $5,000 worth of a position in Coinbase Pro, you're going to be paying about $12 in commission fees if you market buy or market sell. If you limit order and limit buy, you'll only pay about $6 for that price. So keep that in mind. Every time you trade, you're going to lose money in paying fees. So keep that as part of your profit margin as you're thinking about that. I know there is a place where you can set those settings in here. If we go to click on paper trading down here, click your person, you can go to trading setting, commission settings right there, and you can let's do a fixed amount. And then tell the commission value what percentage of the trade is going to be should be set. So you have to go look in Coinbase and look up their commission. I can't remember the actual amount. I just know about what it costs. So anyway, all right. So that's just a tutorial on how to paper trade. So we're going to close this trade. Close this position. I've closed it, and you notice that once the order has been placed, let's see here. Come on, there we go. It's executed, and now you can see that I have an account that is $6 less than when I started. I'm not telling you that that was a good trade. In fact, I wasn't even focused in on whether that was a good trade or not. I'm simply showing you the mechanics of using the paper trading here on TradingView. This will allow you to start with a certain amount of money and see if you can grow it. Can you grow that amount of money by making smart trades and making good buys and sells? And that's what this is all about. So I would encourage you to practice your trading on any chart you want. Through TradingView. This is a great way to practice your paper trading without risking your own money. Because what you're going to find is that, and what you need to do, a couple of things that what you need to do is you need to treat it like it's real trading. That means you need to pretend like it's real money, and you need to feel the emotions, and you need to feel all of the psychology that comes along with the trading. If you don't treat it like it's real money, if you don't treat it like it's your money, then you're gonna be overwhelmed when you start trading your own money, because the emotions will come in. So if you just play around with this and you don't treat it like you're really trading, then it's really not going to benefit you at all. So I would encourage you to make sure that you're really striving to trade well. And try to feel all the emotions along the way, because learning to trade really isn't so much about reading the market. It's more about managing your emotions and managing your psychology along the way. All right. I think that's about it. That'll do for a tutorial. You play around with it, play with your settings in TradingView, and just get used to the mechanics of trading through this, and then tell me how you're doing. If you're paper trading and you're practicing, tell me what you think. Tell me if you have any questions in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them the best I can. Again, these tutorials are just trying to help you you go step by step. We're taking baby steps as we enter this world of trading, as we think about this tutorial series. You've got to learn the software, and so I just didn't want to leave you hanging and leave you high and dry. So if you already know this, I'm sure you probably skipped by now, but I hope this has been helpful to you. On the next video, we're going to be jumping into what market makers do to try to take your money, and how the charts are set up to take your money. And if you'll learn to learn and understand market structure, then you can prepare yourself for what market makers do to take your cash and put money in their pockets. Well, until that next time, you happy trading and study hard. We'll talk to you later.